What do we have here? A new house location. Hey Evie! A tasty camera. As you can see, Miss Evie's in today and she's got her babies, of course. There they all are. Hello, Evie. Boop, boop, boop. So they're out here enjoying the sun, and as you can see, they've also enjoyed their porridge, little mucky duckies. And Evie's using the ramp, the Evie ramp. Whoops, all the duckies are dropping down. Off they go. And in the water. Aren't they cute? So it looks like the little babies are, at least they were, fighting over a little scrap. Oh yep, there they are. A little scrap of chickweed. Yes, Evie! You don't like the camera, do you? Hey! And there's Sugar! And Evie! And Evie babies! And Sugar! Roll! Now they're having a munch on the grass. And each other. And now they've found the chickweed. Or not. And they're running out of the pond now, the camera's there. Oh, that did not work.
just reassuring all of you viewers out there that this is a Gardener Gone Wild video.
So remember, Miss Evie says, please like, subscribe, eat grass, and well, all the fun things that can happen when you sit on a bundle of eggs. So thank you for watching this video, and well, that's the end of the video.